Hi, my name is Kyle Tucker. I'm the director at Springbox. Here at Springbox, we specialize in furniture installations for interior designers, mainly doing FF&E projects and also for high-end big furniture companies. Our clients already have a certain reputation, and what we're trying to do is not have a disconnect between our client's reputation and the delivery and installation service.
They are a good representative of our company, an extension of our company. Good delivery companies are very important. Springbok does just that.
Kyle and his team, they are just amazing, and I feel very safe when our furniture are with them, from the moment they receive till the installation until the post installation. So I'm very happy to work with them.